Hi English learners, I am Krishnendu Ghosh. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk to you about some phrasal verbs that can be used while conversing with others in our daily lives. Again I express my gratitude to you, those who are my subscribers. So I would like to request you, please in this way keep motivating me, keep inspiring me so that I can make more videos. And those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the notifications for further videos. So let's get started. Phrasal verbs are also called group verbs. What are the group verbs or what are the phrasal verbs? While talking, we always use some verbs, and a verb has its own meaning, but when we use a preposition after it, sometimes it has got a new meaning that is completely different from the original meaning of the verb. This is called phrasal verb or group verb. I would like to begin with the verb act. If I say act on means affect. Smoking is injurious to health. Smoking affects our health. Smoking acts on our health. Back up. Back up means to support. In my trouble, he backed up me. In my trouble, he backed up me. Bear with. Bear with means to tolerate. I can't bear with such insults. I can't bear with such insults. Break down. Break down means to fall. He broke down in despair, in disappointment. Break out. Break out means to appear suddenly. In our area, cholera has broken out. Break up. Break up means to end. Our school breaks up at 4 p.m. Our school breaks up at 4 p.m. Bring about. Bring about means cause. Swami Vivekananda brought about a change in our society. Swami Vivekananda brought about a change in our society. Bring down. Bring down means to reduce. Our government is trying to bring down the price rise. Our government is trying to bring down the price rise. Bring up. Bring up means to rear. The motherless child was brought up by his uncle. The motherless child was brought up by his uncle. Call at. Call at means to visit to a place. I called on him at his office. I called on him at his office. Call in. Call in means to send for. Please call in a doctor. Call up. Call up means to remember. Call up means to remember. I can't call up what you have said. I can't call up what you have said. Come across. Come across means to meet suddenly. To meet someone suddenly. I came across my old friend at a wedding ceremony. I came across my old friend at a wedding ceremony. Come off. Come off means to be born. He came of a rich family. He came of a rich family. Come round. Come round means to recover. The patient will come round very soon. The patient will come round very soon. Deal in. Deal in means to trade. He deals in rice. He deals in computer. He deals in groceries. Deals in means to trade. Deal with. Deal with means to behave. He dealt with his customer very badly. He dealt with his customer very badly. Fall out. Fall out means to quarrel. Don't fall out with your brothers. Don't fall out with your brothers. Give in. Give in means to surrender. At last the enemy had to give in. At last the enemy had to give in. Give up. Give up means to sacrifice. He gave up his old policy. He gave up his old policy. Try to give up the bad company. Try to give up the bad company. Make out. Make out means understand. I can't make out what you say. I can't make out what you say. Make up. Make up means to compensate. Who will make up the loss that I have made? Who will make up the loss that I have made? Look down upon. Look down upon means to hate. We should not look down upon the poor. We should not look down upon the poor. We should not look down upon the distressed. We should not look down upon the beggars. In this way, there are so many phrasal verbs in English grammar. If I want to discuss it in one video, it will be lengthy. So, I want to wind up the video here. In my next episode, next video, if I get chance, I will discuss it elaborately. Thank you for watching this video.